Ever imagine becoming a superheroine or swapping faces with your favorite stars? Just like me in this clip. After watching this video, you're about to discover how. And trust me, the last one is amazing and complete free, ready to create your own cinematic magic. I am Nairobi from Brighten Up. Let's dive in and explore these incredible tools. The first tool is AKOOL, which allows you to swap faces in videos and photos. After logging in, you will receive some credits to start your face video swap. Select the video where you want to swap faces. Next, click on the avatar face you want to appear on the right side. Then, upload the target faces. Click the high-quality face swap option and go to My Library to see the video being generated. I am Nairobi from Brighten Up. Let's dive in and explore these incredible tools. Ready to create your own cinematic magic. AKOOL offers various pricing options, including a free version. If you like the tool, you can go for the professional plan. AKOOL also provides multiple features, such as talking photos and realistic avatars, and others. Try it. This is amazing. You can use it to create your own influencer. Let's move on to the next tool, which is VIDWUD. You can create 100% free face swap videos and photos online. Let's try it. Video face swap. Upload a source video with a face. Upload a target face photo. Make sure it's in JPG, PNG, or WEBP format. Click Face Swap Now. It's generated. Let's play it. Wow, it is amazing, right? Let's download it. Now let's try the all photo face swap. Upload a source image with a face. Upload a target face photo. Make sure it's in JPG, PNG, or WEBP format. Click Face Swap Now. Let's download it. I love this tool, but it has some limitations. You can only make one video per day. No worries, let me introduce you to another tool that is completely unlimited and free. I'll also show you how to create an Instagram influencer using your avatar. Let's get started. ROOP Unleashed. Unlimited deepfakes for images and videos without training and an easy to use. Use the GitHub link from the description. Click on Code and download it. Before installation, make sure you have installed Microsoft Visual Studio on your machine, with desktop development for C++ and game development for C++. Then extract the zip folder and open the installer folder. Click Windows Run.exe file for Windows and wait for all files to download. Now, it's time to launch the app. It has an easy interface with, as well as many features. Let's use Face Swap. Upload the source photo file that you want to swap. And the target video file. The face will be automatically detected from your photo. Set the max face similarity threshold to 0.75 for the best results. Set the original enhanced image blend ratio to 0.75. The most important step is to select post-processing options, GPEN and GFP GAN. These two options will give you HD results. Just click the Start button and wait. In the meantime, you can like this video. Wow! Wow, it's really cool. Wow, it is amazing, right? Let's download it. Now let's find a suitable Instagram profile and select the video you want to use to create your own avatar influencer. Go to Google. Search for Instagram video download. Select Snap Insta and paste the Instagram URL to download it. Next, open the ROOP Unleashed app. Set the avatar photo and target video file you downloaded. Follow the same steps. And wait for the result. This is impressive. Let me know in the comment which one you like. So friends, you've learned how everyone makes their face swaps and Instagram influencer avatars. Now you can create your own and potentially earn money. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like and subscribe. You can watch my other video, Free Talking AI Avatars and AI Influencer for YouTube and Instagram here. Thank you. See you in the next video.